Let me tell you something. Do you know that you have been missing out on unique fashion items that would have instantly changed your style game? In this video, I will share with you 10 low budget style secrets that actually works. And I would also share with you 5 bonus tips at the end of this video. So stay glued. Now, the first on my list is avoid trendy outfits. Sis, why would you even be caught buying items that almost everybody owns? Do you know that it instantly cheapens your overall appearance? Look, if people are not able to determine how much you bought an item, a fashion item, the value goes up. Now imagine wearing a trend for over 4 years ago and people have moved past that trend and you're still putting on such trendy outfits. Sis, there is nothing exciting about that. Pay attention to details. Simple but important things like tucking in properly when necessary, having a nice hairdo, manicure, pedicure, rolling up your sleeves can go a long way in elevating your entire look. Save up, have a budget, and take advantage of sales. Yes, you've worked so hard year in, year out. So why are you not able to have that baby care account that you can always use for your personal needs, like body essentials or outfits that you can use to look like the baby girl that you are? Have a budget where you are able to determine how much you are willing to spend on your wardrobe. Now take advantage of sales. Make sure that you're shopping on sales. There's going to be a whole lot of sales, clearance sales, anniversary sales. So while you take advantage of these sales, also put it in mind that seasonal sales are a no-no. Things like Christmas sales, Easter sales, Thanksgiving sales, things are going to be high by then. And remember, even if we want to be shopping fashion items, we also are mindful of how much we are spending. Remember, we are shopping on our budgets. Highlight the best part of your body you confidently want to show off. Yes, and feel free to shop as many styles as possible. Don't be afraid to shop different styles because there are no age limitations when it comes to style. Always shop outfits that brings out the best version of how you want to be seen. The next on my list is invest in quality, timeless, classy, neutral accessories. Don't worry, I get it. I'm gonna break it down for you. When you invest in quality accessories, let's take for example shopping a pearl earring over just any other earring you'd find in the market would go a long way in elevating your whole look and giving you that classy sense of style. When I talk about accessories, I am talking about shoes, hat, bags, sunglasses. Now when you shop these accessories in neutral colors like white, black, brown, emerald green, you get to wear or carry or use these items for a very long period of time, and you can restyle it with as many clothes as possible. Is that not getting value for your money? So you don't need so many accessories for you to be able to look good. You just need the right ones beside you. Now the next on my list is thrift. Let me tell you a little secret about this thing called thrifting, also known as pin down select or okreka. When you go thrifting, you find valuable items that may no longer be in the market. It definitely means that you may be the only one that still has that precious, valuable item at that moment. When you go thrifting, you save cash, you save money, because you would find these valuable items at an unbelievable price. Imagine getting a valuable bag, shoe, purse, tops, outfits, everything, name it, down to sunglasses, to hats, that are rare to find, that are very, very valuable at little or no money at all. Tailored outfits. Do you know that you can go to the market and come across a clothes you love, but it's not giving you all the fit you need? You can take it to your tailor and have them mend it to your size, and I promise you, hence you have a good tailor. Good one, oh, not the one that will the cloth will come out looking like it was specifically made for you. Yes, and you can also sew different styles from scratch. Let's say, for example, tailored pants or a nice statement top helps you get a better feel and you get to wear these clothes. So if you already have clothes that are sitting in your wardrobe for a very long period of time already and you do not know what to do to it, take it to the nearest tailor that knows what he or she is doing, not the one that will spoil your clothes, and have it mend to perfection. Find your style and rock it to perfection. Yes, I said so. Everybody has their own style, and that particular outfit that when you wear, you feel on top of the world. You feel so confident in. Discover the colors that best suits your skin tone, and make sure that you combine all these things to work for you and not against you. So to discover your style, you can check other people's style on Pinterest, you can check on Instagram. You need to start saving those styles in your gallery, and then once in a while go back and find out the kind of styles you resonate with. Also get formed of the kind of trousers, the kind of tops you like to wear, the kind of hairs you like to wear. These are little things that would help you build your personal style. For example, I am a classy babe, and I always try to incorporate it in whatever I am wearing for that day. This is one of it. Invest in good wardrobe basics. I know you'll be asking, Chi, which one is wardrobe basics again? Wardrobe basics are simply items that are necessary. It's a must-have in your closet. If you're trying to build up your closet or have a working closet, you don't get to spend too much time when you want to dress up. It makes your everyday dressing up as easy as possible. Let me give you an example. It's just like you want to build a house and your foundations, you do not lay the right foundations. What do you think will happen? It will crash. That is exactly what will happen if you do not have the right wardrobe basics. You would hardly find what to wear, but you would end up having so many clothes that may overwhelm you, make you feel tired, make you feel stressed out, and make you feel like, oh, I don't even want to go out, I don't even want to stress myself. Let me give you a little example of what we mean by wardrobe basics. Having high heels in 3 different colors: white, black, brown, or neutral color, like a pant trouser in white, black, blazer, kimono, having like a white and black sneakers, having at least 1 pair of sunglasses, having at least 1 hat. Now let's dive onto the next one. Now, the last one, structured outfits. Instead of going for a plain top like this, it's best to go for tops like this that totally drags all the attention and eyes to you whenever you step out. Yes, these are outfits that year in, year out is going to remain timeless. You're going to be wearing it day in, day out, and nobody will know. How will they know? If you don't tell them, how will they know? Now that we are done with the 10 low budget style secrets that actually works, if you give it a try, would help you save a whole lot of money and is going to help you elevate your whole appearance, help you add the right pieces in your closet. Let's hop into the bonus tips that I have for you. Always add an extra piece to your outfit, things like a sunglass, blazer, kimono, as simple as hairband. We also have things like brooches, scarves. These little but important details helps elevate your whole look. If you love trendy outfits and you cannot give it up for anything, then you keep it simple and build up from there. Add at least one trendy outfit to your outfits. Let it not be too much. Trendy outfits lover. Care for your outfits, items, anything fashionable that you have to start caring for it. Yes, wash them the right way, take it to the tailor when it's faulty, iron them when needed. Simple things like ironing your clothes just helps make it look more classy, helps you look more put together, like you've put in a whole lot of work into your look. If you have been following me for a while, you would know that I've always been talking about undergarments because these are necessary for your overall appearance. Imagine putting on a loose fitted bra, so always wear the right undergarment and let it be in neutral colors so we don't get to see any of those through your outfits. And the last bonus tip is you have a whole lot of sisters. You have a partner that is fashionable and you have not gone through his closet to search for an item that you can add one way or the other to elevate your whole look, and you are broke. We both know fully well that you are broke. Come closer. Let me tell you something. Do you know that you have been sleeping on unique fashion items that would have instantly changed your style game by just going through your sister's closet or your spouse's closet and finding the best pieces there and rocking it as much as possible? But be careful that you have a sister that is understandable and that is okay to share things with you, so you not going to cause problem. Same with your partner as well, so you not see Ella Styling said. We are finally at the end of this session. Like I said, I love sitting down here, spilling out all the teas that will make my ladies find their style, look good, step out looking gorgeous, and always be the best versions of themselves. To help this community grow more, please subscribe to this channel so that more women can join this community, our community of fashionable ladies worldwide.